Valley witnessing another spell of light snowfall. This time around again it is the mountains that were lashed by heavy snowfall, and if you talk of plains, South Kashmir, the snow intensity was more. We are right now in the outskirts of Srinagar, and as far as cold conditions are concerned, there is no let up. It's relentless cold. If you talk of the last 1.5 months, temperatures non-stop touching -4, 5 consistently as far as Srinagar is concerned during the night. And if you move out to other places, the mountainous belts, the cold has been even more intense. Now, IMD has predicted another fresh spell of snowfall. If you talk of between 22nd Jan to 24, another fresh western disturbance will hit Jammu and Kashmir. But as far as cold is concerned, behind me, this is the periphery of Achar Lake, another famous lake of Kashmir. And these water bodies can remain frozen. In fact, that's been the scene from the last 1 month. And similar scenes if we move out of Srinagar. Waterfalls, small water bodies continue to be frozen, and that really speaks about the intensity of cold. And once now that the post-snowfall weather has cleared up, so relentless and the harsh cold could be back in the night. Minus temperatures could again touch new lows, so that obviously means that there will be no respite as far as the grip of cold is concerned. And though one good thing post-snow is that there is no fog as far as Kashmir is concerned, so flight operations, road travel is not being impacted, but other parts of North India are experiencing fog, and that can only lift if it rains and if weather clears. So that really is the prediction of the IMD. But Kashmir continues to reel under intense cold and no let up, and IMD has forecast that these cold conditions are going to continue at least for the next 10 days as far as Kashmir is concerned. On campus, Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.